So, hello dear students. Now today we would be discussing the next question of the chapter fraction, class 7th mathematics. The question is, the cost of mathematics book is rupees 25 whole 3 by 4 and that of science book is rupees 20 whole 1 by 2. Which cost more and by how much? Now you have been given the cost of mathematics book as well as that of science book. So both costs has been given to you. I have to find which cost more and by how much. Okay, so first let me write here cost of maths book. What is the cost of maths book? It is 25 whole 3 by 4. If you are changing into the, because it is in mixed fraction, so just change it. 25 4 is 100, 100 plus 3, 103. So you can write it as 103 by 4. So this is the cost of maths book. Now cost of science book, if you see, cost of science book is how much? 20 whole 1 by 2. Just change it. 22 is 40, 40 plus 1, 41. So it would be 41 by 2. So this is the cost of science book and this is the cost of maths book. Now which one costs more? Whether this is more or that one more, that you have to tell by taking the LCM. That I already told you. Which one is greater among these two? If you want to find it out, you would have to take the LCM of both the denominators here. Okay, so you have to take the LCM of 4 and 2. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? So here take LCM of 4 and 2. Can you tell me the LCM of 4 and 2? LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Just find it out here. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2 1 and 2 2 ja 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is how much? LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So now you have to make both the denominators 4. First you have to make this one 4. Then you have to make this one denominators as 4. So this is already 4. No need to make it. But this one you have to make. So okay. So first one is 103 by 4. Second one is 41 by 2. Did the LCM of both the denominator is 4. Now you have to make both the denominators 4. This is already 4. So what to do? Divide this 4 by the first denominator, then divide this 4 by the second denominator. If you are just dividing this the LCM by the first denominator, it would be 4 1 ja 4. 1 times means this one you are multiplying upside. Are you getting this? And downside also. Similarly, then you are going to divide this 4 by the second one denominator, that is 2. So if you are dividing this by 2, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 times it goes. So this 2 you are going to multiply upside and downside. If you are multiplying, then you can see 103 1 ja 103 by 4 and here 41 2 ja 82 by 2 2 ja 4. Now can you tell me which one is greater? Yeah, obviously this one is greater. Yes or not? So this one is greater means what? It means the cost of mathematics book is more. Hence, right here, hence the cost of mathematics book is more. So which one costs more? The cost of mathematics book is more. But how much? How much more? If you want to find out how much, then you have to subtract this and this. So that you have written. Hence the cost of mathematics is more by how much? By is equals to, you are going to subtract both these. 103 by 4 minus 82 by 4. Both have the same LCM. Just subtract it. Same denominator. So subtract it. 103 minus 82. 103 minus 82. So you are going to get how much? 3 minus 2 is 1 and 10 minus 8 is 2. So 21 by 4. So the cost of mathematics book is more, and how much more? It is 21 by 4 more than that of science book. Are you getting it? This is how you do this one question. Just note this down. Then we will be doing the next question. Now here you have the second question. Question is, provide the number in box and also give the simplest form in each of the following. Okay, so which number would come there in this one box, that you have to tell. Okay, then at the last you have to give the simplest form of the answer here. Okay, so first you tell me which number would come there in the box for here and here. So if you see 2 and here it is 10, so it means 2 5 ja 10. it means you are multiplying this 2 by 5. If you are multiplying this 2 by 5, so if you are multiplying 2 by 5 upside also, so by 5 you are going to multiply downside also. Are you getting this? So which number should I write here so that it could become 10 by 30? So if you see 2 5 ja 10, it means upside you are multiplying by 5 and downside by how much you are multiplying? 3 10 ja 30. So it means downside you are multiplying by 10. So answer would be 5 by 10. So which number would come there in the box? That is 5 by 10. Are you getting this? Now you have to also give the simplest form in each of the following. Now you have to change this into simplest form. 10 by 30. Can you change it into simplest form? Yes, because both are divisible by 10. So simplest form would be simplest form of 10 by 30 would be what? Because both are divisible by 10. Writing correctly. Okay. So both are divisible, so just cut it by 10. So 10 1 ja 10 and 10 3 ja 30. So answer would be 1 by 3. So here the answer is 1 by 3. So this is how you would solve the question. Similarly here also, which number would come there in the box? If you see 3 8 ja 24, it means upside it is 8. 3 8 ja 24 and downside by which number you are going to multiply? 15 5 ja 75. So what would come there? 15 would come there. So answer is 8 by 15. Now again you have to change it into simplest form. So right here, simplest form of 24 by 75. If you can see, both of the numbers are divisible by 3. Both are divisible by 3. How? If you could see, 3 8 ja 24 and you can divide this also by 3. 3 8 ja 24. If you are dividing this by 3, how much would come? Can you tell me? 3 8 ja 24. If you are dividing this 75 by 3, so how many times it would go? 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. 25 times it would go. So answer would be how much? 8 by 25. So by simplifying 24 by 75, you would get how much? 8 by 25. Are you getting this? Are you getting? Very good. So this is how you would solve the question. Okay, just note it down. Now you can see some new questions on the board here. Multiply first one 7 by 11 by 3 by 5. This is the first question, then second, then third, then fourth. These are the 4 questions you have to solve. So let's solve the first one first. So answer number first. You have to multiply 7 by 11 by 3 by 5. This way you have to multiply. Okay. So just multiply. It is easy to multiply. Can you cut it? 7 5 or 5 3, nothing you can cut here. So let's multiply then if it is not being cut. So just multiply 7 3 ja 21 and downside 11 5 ja 55. So this is how you would get the answer. Okay, this is the answer number first. Similarly, answer number second, 3 whole 1 by 8 multiply 4 whole 10 by 11. Second one, just simplify it first. 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 1 would be 25 by 8 multiply. Similarly here 11 4 ja 44, 44 plus 10 would be 55 by 11. Okay, just multiply upside, multiply downside, you would get your answer. 25 multiply 5 right here, divide by 8 10 11 multiply right here downside. Okay, you would get your answer. Do it on your own. Okay, similarly you have to do the third question also. Okay, just let me erase this. Now you have to do the third question. Third question is what? Answer number 3, that is 3 whole 4 by 15 multiply 24. Okay, just multiply this. 15 3 ja how much? 45. 15 3 ja 45, 45 plus 4 49. So it would be 49 by 15 multiply 24. Look here, 15 3 ja 45, 45 plus 4 49. So it would be 49 by 15 multiply 24. So I think you can cut here also, because 15 and 24 both are divisible by 3. So at that time you can cut also. You can see 15 and 24 both are divisible by 3. 3 8 ja 24 and 3 5 ja 15. Okay. So now the answer would be 49 multiply 8 divided by how much? 5. So answer would be how much? 49 multiply 8. 8 9 ja 72. 2 carry 7. 8 4 ja 32. 32 plus 7 39. So answer would be 392 by 5. Are you getting this? Similarly, you have to do the fourth question also. Fourth question is what? 3 by 5 multiply 25. 3 by 5 multiply 25. 5 and 25 you can cut this. So you do it on your own. Okay. Okay, let me tell you this one also. Question number 4 is 3 by 5 multiply 25. You can cut it also. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. Both are divisible of 5. Now multiply. 5 3 ja 15 and downside 1. So no need to write downside there 1. So answer would be 15. If it is 1 downside, means in the denominator it is 1. So no need to write this one. Okay. So answer would be 15. Okay. So this is how you would solve the question. Note these questions down first. Now you can see the next question which I have written on the board here. Simplify. This is the question. You have to simplify this. 12 by 25 multiply 15 by 28 multiply 35 by 36. So how do you solve this one question? One way, you multiply upside all the numerator and downside all the denominators. You would get your answer. Means 12 multiply 15 multiply 35. How much coming right upside and downside? 25. This is 25. Multiply 28, then multiply 36. How much coming right downside? You would get your answer. But it is it's a lengthy method. Okay. So you can just cut it. If it is possible, just cut there. Okay. So right now here you can see 12 and 36. You can cut both. Like here 12 1 ja 12. 12 3 is 36. Both of the digits you can cut by 12. Okay. So 12 1 ja 12 and 12 3 is 36. But remember, both of the digits you have to cut by a single digit. It is not that here you are cutting by 4 and here you are cutting by 6. Not possible. If you are cutting here by 4, then here also you have to cut by 4. If you are cutting here by 12, so here also you have to cut by 12. Like here 12 1 ja 12 and 12 3 is 36. Okay. Very good. Now again something you can cut again now still. Like if you see this 3 and this 15, you can cut this 3 and this 15 you can cut. Like here 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. Are you getting? So let's write. Now here what is left? 1 by 25 multiply here. What is left? 5 by 28. Then here what is? 35 by 1. Now if you see, you can cut both these digits also. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. Getting na? And still you can cut this 5 and this 35 also. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35. Now you have your answer. Answer is 1 multiply 1 multiply 7. 1 multiply 1 multiply 7 and downside 1 multiply 28 multiply 1. So answer would be how much? 7 1 ja 7 and 7 1 ja 7. So answer would be 7 by 28 1 ja 28, 28 1 ja 28. So answer would be 7 by 28. Now still you can cut 7 and 28 also. Yes or not? Both of the digits are divisible by 7. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 4 ja 28. So answer would be 1 by 4. Okay. So this is how you would simplify the question. Okay. Now let's do the second question here. Second question, you note it down if you have noted. So let's do the second question. Second question is 10 by 27 multiply 39 by 56 multiply 28 by 65. Let's solve this question. If possible, so cut. Not possible, so no need to cut them. Okay. So now here if you see, both of the digits I can cut by 7. Look here, this also as well as this also. Like here 3 9 ja 27 and here 13 3 ja 39. Both of the digits are divisible by 3. I have cut. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now still we can cut this 10 and 56 also. Okay. I can cut both of the digits by 2. Look here. 2 5 ja 10 and this one also 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 26, 2 8 ja 16, 28 times. Okay. So we have cut this. So answer is what? Answer you can see 5 by 9 left here. Here 13 by 28 left and here 28 by 65. Now again 28 1 ja 28, 28 1 ja 28, you can cut. Here also 13 1 ja 13 and 13 5 ja 65. Getting or not? And here also this 5 and this 5 you can cut. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So answer is what? 1 1 1 means 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 downside. 9 multiply 1 multiply 1. So answer would be how much? 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 1. Downside 9 1 ja 9 1 ja 9 9. So answer is 1 by 9. So this is how you would simplify the question. Okay. One more question I am giving you. Note this down. Question number next is, that would be the third one. 2 whole 2 by 17 multiply 7 whole 2 by 9 multiply 1 whole 33 by 52. Okay. First simplify it, then again you can cut there. 17 2 ja 34, 34 plus 2 36 by 17. 7 ja 34, 34 plus 2 36 by 17. Similarly here also 7 9 ja 63, 63 plus 2 65 by 9. Here 51 1 ja 50, 52 1 ja 52, 52 plus 33 would be how much? 85. Yes, 85 by 52. Now if possible then cut. Now both of the digits you can cut by 13. 13 5 ja 65, 13 4 ja 52. Getting this? Similarly here also both of the digits you can cut by 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. And both of these 4 you can cut. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. Similarly here also 17 and 85. 17 1 ja 17, 17 5 ja 85. So what is left? Here 1 5 5. Downside 1 1 1. So answer would be what? Answer would be 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 25 1 ja 25 divided by 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 means downside 1 is left. So no need to write it. Answer would be 25. So this is how you would solve the question. Okay. Just note this down. Now you can see some more questions on the board here. So question number first is, find 1 by 2 of 4 whole 2 by 9. So only one question I am just going to tell. So the rest of the question you would be doing on your own. So question number first is, here I am just doing 1 by 2 of means multiply. Remember this. 1 by 2 of means multiply. 4 whole 2 by 9. 4 whole 2 by 9. Just again simplify it. 1 by 2 multiply. 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus 2 30 would be 38 by 9. Getting this? Now if possible then cut. If not possible then multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay. So but here you can cut. Like here 2 1 ja 2 and 38 you can cut again by 2. 2 19 ja 38. 19 2 ja 38. Okay. 19 times. So answer would be what? 1 multiply 19 means 19 1 ja 19 divided by 9 1 ja 9. So this would be the answer. Are you getting? Similarly you do the second question. Similarly you do the third question also. Do it on your own. Okay. Okay, just do it fast. Now here I have a new question here. Here you have to tell which one is greater. Among these two, which one is greater? 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So among these two, which one is greater? First simplify it. So here you can write 1 by 2 of means multiply 6 by 7. And the second one is 2 by 3 of means multiply 3 by 7. Simplify it. If you can see 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Both of the digits you can cut by 3. So answer would be 3 1 ja 3 divided by 7 1 ja 7. Similarly here this 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 you can cut. So answer would be 2 1 ja 2 divided by 7 1 ja 7. Now just tell me which one is greater. Whether this or this, both are having the same denominator. If the denominators are same, then the fraction which is having the numerator greater would be the greater one. Now you can see 3 is greater than 2. So 3 by 7 would be greater than 2 by 7. So answer would be this one. Complete is greater than this one. Okay. So this is all for today. Would be meeting in the next lecture. Till then stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.